Okay, everyone, let's catch up with Caila. She's a senior majoring in business administration. When she first came to Penn College, Caila wasn't the most outgoing person. When you hear her story, I think you'll agree she's really found her groove here at Penn College. Caila, it's all yours.
Hi everyone, and thanks Alex. When deciding where I wanted to start my college journey, the most important thing that I held on to was finding somewhere that I could feel welcomed and comfortable while also receiving hands-on experience. Penn College made me feel right at home the moment I came to visit, and I just knew I had to attend. I truly appreciate how the Penn College community has brought me out of my shell and allowed me to embrace who I've always wanted to be. When I first started at Penn College, I was nervous to get involved. Luckily, I made the choice to reach out and join the Wildcat Events Board, the student-run programming organization. From there, my involvement snowballed. I've had the opportunity to lead in several organizations, and I have grown into a strong and outgoing leader and role model. I'm currently the chair of Web, a resident assistant, and a lead connections link. I've also greatly enjoyed fun events on campus such as Hot Dog You're Here and Goat Yoga. But nothing has been more special than the opportunity to speak at the convocation ceremony. All in all, Penn College offers a wide variety of options for students to get involved, from all the student organizations to the leadership opportunities, and let's not forget all the exciting events constantly happening on campus. Penn College strives to provide a student-centered, holistic collegiate experience for all students, whether you are on campus, off campus, or a commuter student. Thanks to my experiences and involvement here at Penn College, I am thrilled to say that I have made the choice to change my career path to higher education. I have been extremely fortunate to have met many mentors here, and my only hope is that I can take on that same role with students in the near future. Well, that's all from me, Alex. I gotta head over and see the goats. What's next from you?
Thanks for sharing your story, Caila. Goat yoga, that's a new one. Your involvement across campus is truly inspiring. I can't believe you're doing all that while earning 2 minors. It's remarkable, and rumor has it you already have a job lined up and you haven't even graduated. Unbelievable. Kudos to you, Caila.